Guys, Rob's Random Stuff back for another pork cook. Gonna do a nice pork butt today. We just got our snake method all set up here. Got some light roasted coffee in the middle there for some moisture. So we're just getting this baby up to temp. Just a simple snake method, 2x2. It's cold out today. It's about 30 degrees, so gonna need a little extra fuel. What we got over here, 6-pound pork butt, great rub, just a supermarket rub. I'll show you what that is in just a few seconds, but it's basically just a coffee rub and your basic garlic, salt, pepper, paprika, nothing special. I let that sit overnight. As you can see, generously rubbed on there. It's already looking good. So we're gonna throw this on. It's probably gonna take 6-7 hours. I'm not sure. It's, like I said, it's cold today, so might have a bit of a challenge keeping the temperature up. I'm gonna try to keep it about 275. So I'm gonna throw this on the grill, show you how it looks, and we'll check back in. All right, guys, we got it on the grill. Here's our simple spice we're using. Jake's Grillin' Pork Rub, old-fashioned coffee rub, nothing special. Here's your ingredients. I said nothing special. Never used it before. Gluten-free, low salt. There you go. A little healthy. Probably not, but it'll taste good. So yeah, we're just doing simple stuff here. You don't need to get all fancy. So yep, cherry wood. Snake method. I'm gonna go ahead and close up the lid, and we're not even gonna touch it for a good 3 hours. We're gonna try to keep it about 275 today. So see you in a couple hours. Don't forget, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. All right, guys, it's been about 3 hours and 20 minutes or so. You see we're right below 300, which is fine. Got a secondary thermometer coming out of here, pretty equal temp, so that's good news. Let's pop that out. Let's just see how this thing is looking. Wow, that's looking great. Fat's rendering beautifully. Let's see, we're burning a decent amount of fuel here. We're about 35-40% of the way through. It's definitely burning a lot more than usual to keep the temps up. So this is looking delish. I was going to give it a little spritz, but it's still plenty moist, so I'm not going to bother with that yet. Going to let it go for another hour, and we'll see how she's looking. All right, guys, we're about 4.5 hours in. Looking epic. Let's do a quick temperature check, see how we're looking here. I'm sure it's not even close to being done, but call it 160 there. This is moving along a lot quicker than usual here. That's great. 170. We'll call it 170. As you can see, I slice the fat so it'll render better. Hopefully it'll crisp up, get a little crispy bits of deliciousness. What I'm going to do now, since we built a nice crust on here, do a little spritz. What I have in here is Coca-Cola and Sriracha. Pretty good. A little sweet, a little heat. See, that's looking great. Still got plenty of coals left. All right, we're gonna let that go another hour and see how we're looking. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and we'll check in a little bit. All right, guys, 5.5 hour check-in. Let's give this a little temp check. 165 in the middle. 160. Here's 180 something for some reason. Alright, so we're gonna let that cook. I did flip it over. I'm gonna go fat side down now. Gonna give it a little spritz once again. Looks outstanding. All right, we're gonna let that keep going. Don't forget, like, subscribe, check in another hour. All right, guys, 6.5 hour check in. Rocking right. Yeah, 280-ish, 275, 280. See how she's looking. Wow, that's looking good. Let's do a little temp check. See if we're gonna need to wrap this or not. Getting there. I want it to be 200. Geez, that goes right to like butter there. 78 on this side. Alright. May or may not wrap it, I'm not sure yet. But I know one thing. I'm gonna spritz it. Give that thing a really nice bark. Again, Sriracha and Coca-Cola. It's a little cheap spray bottle, all you need. Remember, we're just doing this on the cheap. All right, well, I guess we'll check in 1 more hour and see how we're looking. Don't forget, like, subscribe, see how this thing turns out. Hey guys, 7.5 hours. Looking great. Let's do a temp check. We're gonna see if we're gonna wrap this or not. What am I getting there? Let's get down here. Yeah, we're getting there. That part's looking decent. All right, I think we're gonna spin this around probably. Yeah, I'm just gonna wrap it. Get that last 20 degrees and keep the moisture in there. We don't want it to dry out or anything. Nice crust. So I'm gonna wrap that. I'll show you how it looks and should be done shortly. All right, guys, basically, just get your foil, put it like that, and incorporate your moisture. Got a little stuck there. Basically, just want to put some moisture in here. Nothing too much. Get your steam effect going. And just wrap it up, throw it back on, and get this about 200 degrees, and we should be good to go. All right, she's all wrapped up, so we're gonna give it another hour temperature check. Should be good to go. Don't forget, like, subscribe. We'll break this thing open. We'll see how it came out. Hey guys, it's been about an hour. Wrapped. Let's see how we're doing here. Almost there. Yeah, we can probably call that done. Just gonna let it rest. It's going to go up a few degrees. It's going in like butter too, so I don't think we have too much to worry about. This side is definitely good. It's sliding in, zero effort, so we know it's pretty tender. So, all right, we're gonna pull this off, let it hang out for half an hour. We'll unwrap it, we'll shred it up, and we'll do the reveal and the taste test and see how she turned out. Don't forget, like, subscribe if you want to see more of these great cooking videos. All right, guys, it's been a long day of cooking. Let's see how this looks. This let this sit for a half hour, 45 minutes, something like that. Let it chill out a bit. Oh, it's looking good. Let's shred it here and see how we do. Wow. Simple shred. Just falls apart. How's that look?
Looks really good.
Does it? Are you gonna want to taste this?
Yeah.
Yeah, basically this is just melting, falling apart. All right, cameraman. Do a little test. What do you think? What's the flavor? Really good? Got a little smoke flavor in there? Mm-hmm. Tender? Juicy? Yeah, let's try it out. I'll try a little piece here myself. Since I did all the work. You can see here you got a nice bar. Nice smoke ring there. Juicy. That came out good. Mmm. Good job, Rob. I used cherry wood today, a little bit different, but yeah, it's good. So I'm gonna make some sandwiches. Just throw some barbecue sauce on here or whatever. You can see here, come here, Robert. This nice smoke ring, not too much smoke, just enough. Give it flavor, it's hot. So, all right, don't forget, like, subscribe, see all my new cooks. It's gonna be an awesome winter cooking sessions. Again, hit that notification bell, tell your friends about the site. See you on the next cook.